Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a straightforward way to unarchive your Instagram stories. Let's get right to it. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the hamburger icon, which is the 3 horizontal lines usually located at the top right corner. A menu with different options will appear. In this menu, look for the section labeled How You Use Instagram and find the Archive option. Tap on Archive to access your archived stories. A list of all your archived stories will then appear. Scroll through and select the specific story that you want to unarchive. Once you've selected the story, look for the Share button and tap on it. A few options will pop up. From these options, click on Your Story. And that's it. You've successfully unarchived your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.